exploring New Zealand. There's two ways in. It looks like there's that way in. It looks like there's a way in over here. Yes, upon closer inspection, this is the only creek. It's a creek in. I can't see a well-marked track anywhere though. There's no well-marked tracks. I've stepped ashore. I can hear running water. So, I'm off to explore. Here we have it. It's a babbling brook and... Ooh, what's this? It looks like it's a New Zealand crocodile. Oh my God, just have a look at this. Oh, hang on. Look at this. It's a mighty fern. Oh, my feet are freezing. Oh, it's lovely. Bloody freezing, but it's lovely. Look at this pool here. Oh, look at that. This is... Oh, look. Pretty. There? I've got the wrong footwear on. I was looking in the shop for footwear, and it's hard when you're on the boat. You need something that you can kind of hike in and something you can get off the boat and get your feet wet. And these bloody double pluggers aren't it. Oh, this is lovely. I'm trying to clamber over slimy rocks here in my Chinese safety boots. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, lovely. Yeah. And, oh, look at this. Look at this, will you? I'll just get over this obstacle. Obstacles. Oh, lovely. Look. Oh, look at this, beautiful. You can't. Oh, look up here. You just can't imagine how lovely this is. This is lovely. I should have brought a picnic. Look at that. And it just goes on and on.